Hey everyone! Now most of you have seen my videos and you've been seeing some of the work that I do, and I do see a ton of children in my practice. And one of the reasons that parents will sometimes bring their children to me is because they are having trouble breastfeeding. And sometimes babies will have trouble latching on. Sometimes the moms will start to get really sore because the baby is not latching on. Sometimes they will latch on one breast but not the other, and they'll get really fussy and irritable. And sometimes the problem comes from their alignment of their upper neck vertebrae or their skull bones or even their jaw. And so as a chiropractor, especially as a pediatric chiropractor, this is definitely something that we can help. So if your child is struggling, if you're finding that they are, again, not wanting to turn their head side to side easily, if they're fussing more with one breast more than the other, if they're getting a lot of air when they're nursing, if they are just not really seeming themselves and settled, you might want to consider a chiropractic checkup. Obviously, chiropractic care for children is dramatically different than what it is like for adults. I would strongly encourage you, if you're going to bring your child to a chiropractor, to bring them to someone who does see a lot of children and who has extensive training in pediatrics, because obviously their spine is beautifully perfect when it's born, but it can have some subtle changes that can happen from the birth process, from how they were positioned in utero, and certainly sometimes interventions that happen during the birth process if there's any complications. These delicate structures need to be attended to by a professional and someone who knows pediatric spines. So if you need a referral, be sure to reach out. I'm happy to assist you. I've got extensive connections with docs internationally that look after children and love to see children. But just remember that if there is a challenge with your child with breastfeeding, be sure to consider chiropractic, because it will make the world of difference and allow you and your child to have a beautiful breastfeeding relationship for as long as you choose to nurse. I hope this helps. Be sure to reach out or comment with any questions. We'd love to help you. See you soon.